On last week's vlog, I went through the process of showing the setup and the reveal of my new Jeep camper transformation. And tonight, I'm going to test it out in a random parking lot off the highway. Not sure where. Let the adventures begin. What is up, my fellow humans? Tonight's adventure is going to be stealth camping-ish in Rockwall, Texas. It's going to be somewhere, I don't even know, to be honest. I don't even know where it's going to be at. I'm just going to be driving around looking for a spot to park myself and sleep. Try my new camper setup to see what it's like. If y'all didn't know, the state of Texas only has one natural lake, and that is Caddo Lake in East Texas. It borders Louisiana. So yeah. If y'all have any ideas of what state that borders Texas I should go visit, and something fun in that city or state or little town, whatever, let me know. Write it in the comments below. I prefer small towns, as I love small towns. I just love it. I just like the atmosphere, and the people in small towns are just really kind. This is the stuff I'll be taking. Coffee, my mug, my coffee filter, this super small collapsible stove, the propane, sugar, and a spoon. I put it back here and it's secure up on that bar, so it's not going to go anywhere or fall anywhere. I'm just going to take a small jacket, my weapon, and my air vents for the front. And that is it. I've got all my gear ready. Alright, I've been driving around trying to look for a place to park and sleep. I found a Love's gas station, you know, one of those truck stops, but it was too small and it was too full. And so I found an abandoned building and I'm just parked out here, and I already set up shop, so I'm good to go. Got my little lamp and everything here. Yeah, let's see how it goes, and hopefully I'm not asked to move by a police officer or something like that. So we'll see. We'll wait to see how the night goes. The highway's just over here. I've got the front window covered except this little hole here. I hope I can sleep through the noise. Yeah, it's kind of scary. I mean, not in the sense where I'm afraid that someone's going to try to jack me, like jack my truck or anything like that. It's just that whole notion of probably getting tapped on the window by a cop or something, you know, or someone. Just that is kind of when you're not expecting anything. Or you sort of expect it. It's kind of like suspenseful in a way, I guess. That's the best way to describe it. It just feels a little suspenseful, because you never know what might happen. What might happen. I made my own parking, I guess. I parked in front of this building that's for sale. It's like looks like it was a business before. Yeah. And if anything, I'm not too far away from where I need to go. So if I'm asked to leave, I'll just leave. So hopefully that doesn't happen, and hopefully I don't get any weirdos trying to come up to my Jeep and try to open the windows or anything like that. So far, it's pretty comfy in here, though. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can turn the LEDs on. I just turned the LEDs on, and I'm using the yellow light. Tonight's adventure is basically just
getting to experience what it's like to sleep in my build and see what things I need to improve in it, maybe. Don't judge me, warrior, son of Thor, and my friends. He gives me heck for eating chips. So, yeah, it's my treat weekend so I can eat it. I see a truck pulling up over there. I think they're coming over here. You never know. Alright, so now y'all are wondering, how is Jeep gonna pee? Well, I didn't bring my urinal, the one that I made. So I have this protein container that I use, and I added water and a little bit of bleach in it. Just a little bit of bleach so it could kill the smell and stuff like that. I'm assuming that the traffic is probably gonna die down the later it gets, so hopefully it does. That way it's not so noisy. But I'm gonna go ahead and kick back, enjoy the rest of the night. I'm gonna watch a movie, maybe read a book. What are your favorite books to read? All right, y'all, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna watch some movies and try to fall asleep. See you guys in the morning. Good morning. Woo! It's about 7 a.m. and I slept pretty well. Not really. There's a lot of traffic. I'm gonna head out now. I made it back this morning, and I didn't want to overwelcome my stay there because I think it was private property and I probably shouldn't have been there, so don't try this out. But I'm in the parking lot at my place and just finishing up the breakfast coffee, and that is it. Yeah, so glad I did this. And a few things that I am going to change in this build is more storage. I don't want to accumulate stuff. That's one thing I don't want to do. So I'm just going to add, so I want to add some hidden storage where I can just set like certain things that I take with me while I go on a camping trip or a road trip or something. But it's not going to be permanently in my Jeep because I don't want a lot of stuff in there. So until next time, roam with Jeep.